Hello guys and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have one of the sickest naked bikes that ever existed. This is the 2019 Yamaha MT-10. So this is the MT-10 and this has the Crossplane inline 4 engine of the Yamaha R1, the R1m, and this thing is a beast. So we have 4 cylinders, 998 cc. We have a 160 brake horsepower engine and 130 Newton meters, although this one had a ECU flash and now puts out 169 brake horsepower. So right here we have the Akrapovic exhaust, which is really loud. Let me show you. And this is the sound of the Akrapovic. And we actually also made a separate video about the sound and making some wheelies, making some acceleration and some flyby shots as well, which you can find right here. So this thing being a naked bike, the seating position is actually pretty great, as I shall demonstrate. So I'm 180 and I can sit just fine. Like if you look at this, the stair is actually pretty straight, and as you can see, you do not have to like put your weight on your elbows, so that's pretty comfortable for driving. And actually, if you look here, we have a part of the front, and that's actually really good for deflecting the wind. So it's not as bad as normal naked bikes in terms of the wind gusts in your face. So actually this bike is pretty fast. So it does 0 to 200 in 6 seconds. And the top speed is normally it is 293, but as this one had a tune, it's probably around 300 or even more. So guys, actually here we have the headlight, and look at that. We have some LED daytime running lights right here.
Keep talking.
Yeah, there it is. So we have some LED lighting right here. Sounds really great. So as you can hear, the sound is a lot different from the normal inline 4, and it's due to the sequence of the cylinders firing. So normally it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and right now they just cross-planed it, for example. So right here we have the seat, and every bike has some secret storage space. So guys, the key to the secret door, you have to put it right here. So this is
a pretty big seat.
Yeah, this is the seat. It's actually relatively big. It's leather, so really nice. Here we have some tools. And yeah, of course, your usual stuff, so the battery and some electric thingies that you will not ever use. Oh, and here we actually have some tools as well, so that's nice. Let's put it back. Oh, nee.
There's the click.
Don't forget the key, of course. So right here we have the rear lights of the Yamaha MT-10, and we also have some LED indicators which look awesome. And also here we have the MT badge, which also looks very nice.
Can you demonstrate it? Ah!
Ist schön?
Das ist
schön?
Das ist super schön.
Super schön. Also.
It will tell you when you brake. Therefore, it is the braking light.
So, and also, of course, this being a very fast bike, we have a Quickshifter right here. So this is a 6-speed, of course, and you can just shift without using the clutch, and it's actually really fast. Also, this bike has traction control and ABS, of course. So this is the instrument cluster of the Yamaha MT-10, and as you can see, we have loads of information here. So we have the fuel, we have the RPM gauge, here we have the temperature of the engine, and of course the gear that you're in. And it's actually a really nice and clear view of the dashboard. And here we have a pretty nice system. So I don't have the right case for it, but here you can just put on your phone like this, and then you can just use your navigation or whatever you want to use. And also here we have a button, and this is for the valves in the exhaust. So when you're driving around town and you don't want to make too much noise, you can just shut it, and then when you go out of town you can just open the exhaust. So right here we have the foot pegs, because this bike is perfect for driving with 2 people, as we now will demonstrate. This is great for 2 people.
It actually
Zit prima, man.
fits pretty well.
So guys, and actually we have some very nice bar and mirrors right here, and they look awesome. So I imagine them not being very practical, as all bar mirrors are, but they look very cool. Oh, and guys, by the way, don't forget to buy the Damn Fast merch. Look at this. You can buy it in the store, the link is here and down in the description below. And we actually made a couple of videos with this thing. So we made a POV, we made a wheelie video, and a couple of exhaust ones as well. So guys, that's the short review for now. This is actually a great bike. It's not a starter bike, not at all. This thing is really a beast. But in terms of having a naked bike, this one is really the one to have if you want the best of the best. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I want to see you guys in the next one. Ciao!